Hello, welcome guys to second part of my FPS tutorial, and this tutorial will cover the topic gun scripting. Means not full but only gun means will be added in our inventory, and means a GUI would be seen here. This would say that bullets left equals 100 or someone like that, and reduction of bullets and other things would be told to you later in other parts of the video. So let's start. So before moving forward, let me means tell you about the scene. So I have made some modifications in the scene. As you can see, a new beach house, or just house you can say this, is added, and two guns also are added in the scene. And this the function of beach house means the work will be not for now but it would be for later. So let's begin with the scripting. So first you need to add two means something, even a cube or gun like this, or any other model that you will find on net, then put it inside a empty game object and attach a box collider to it. So means you can directly add to the model if you have centered it right like this, and it only has one mesh in this, like in this case. But to get the perfect center, I have added it inside a empty game object. So now for the scripting part. So open means create any JavaScript and name it whatever you want, open it, and then type this, not a bar but var, this float. So first we are going to create a float function, update, then we are going to call an if statement. So what we are going to do is we are going to create a raycast. What a raycast is, it's actually a invisible line passing through the center of a given coordinate, or you can directly say, mean in this case it would be, it would pass through the center of our first person controller in z direction, forward direction. And if that invisible line will collide with any point, the system will detect it and will compare it with our given situation. So now next, if physics dot break raycast. Now inside the raycast function, what we need to do is, means what we need to add is origin, then direction, and then distance. So not only this but also variable hit raycast hit. Now what this variable is, it is means a variable that will contain all the information about the object and to which the raycasts have hit, or yeah, will hit, and we can access the name, collider, any other property of the game object from using this variable. So we are also going to add this variable here. So first we are going to add origin form dot position, then the direction, and then we are going to refer hit, and then means the length. So it is distance, which is a float. So we can set this float in the Unity editor. Now one thing, I don't know why, but why does the raycast function is called inside a if statement? That's really awkward, but it is so we have to use it like it is. So then we are going to call another if statement if hit means the game object dot collider dot game object and then hit dot collider. In this if statement we have to first refer the collider and then move to the game object, and then we can settle any property of the game, means the game object, sorry. And we can also means again call the collider. So it sounds like if hit dot collider dot game object dot collider again, and you cannot directly means set the collider property from here. This wouldn't work, the unity will show error. um, Means this is something really not cool. We should have directly means if hit dot game object, it should be like that. Name, sorry, not name, but we are going to use tag gun. So you also have to add a tag gun and then set it for the gun, and means set that tag only for the object that you have attached with the box collider, so that means the raycast will uh, collide with it and then go to the game object and then look for the tag. So you make sure it is done, either the script wouldn't work. Then what would happen? So we are going to call another, no, this time we're going to call a function gun hit. So we are going to create another variable gun, no, bullet GUI equals GUI text. So this and then gun hit. Now means we can also call this thing which we are going to put inside the gun function, inside the function update, but we are not doing so because means calling the function is a lot easier than just means enabling a variable and then disabling it again and again. So then, so in the gun function we have to first make a local variable, name it whatever you want, but I will type it add shots, which would be equals to 100, and another variable bullet equals, or you can not just static variable, so you can also access it from another script, and it's going to be integer. So add shot, then bullets equals bullet plus add shot, and then more GUI dot text GUI text, I think text equals empty string plus, no, not empty, but bullets left equals plus bullet. This will show how many bullets do we are left with. So save the script, move down, add the script to the first person controller or your main character. Then there's distance like 5. Now let's start the game. So here the guns are. Oh, sorry, I forgot one thing. If this is done, then we also have to destroy the hit.collider.game object so that the constant add up of bullets this can be stopped. Let's begin it again. This 100 and then 200. Now means this is how it is done. So in the next video the shooting or the grenade part would be told to you. Till then, have a nice day, goodbye, and hope you like the video and enjoy game making. Thank you.